Hello, everyone. On your desk, you will find the project details.
Mrs. Smith, when is the deadline?
It is due on the last day of August.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Bobblehead Slow English Shorts. Some people say this is one of the scariest words at school. What is a deadline? It is the due date for something. That something could be a homework, a project, a promise. Here are some examples. The deadline for this homework is next week. The deadline for this project is next month. The deadline for me to learn B2 English is next year. Now it is your turn to try. The deadline for this homework is August. Let us listen to the conversation one more time, and you can try to repeat what they say. It is okay if you are in a place where you cannot speak out loud. In that case, it still helps if you try to say the sentence silently in your head.
Hello, everyone. On your desk, you will find the project details. Hello, everyone. On your desk, you will find the project details.
Mrs. Smith, when is the deadline? Mrs. Smith, when is the deadline?
It is due on the last day of August. It is due on the last day of August.
Thank you for spending time with Listen Speak Academy today. Hope you have learned something new. Take care and see you soon. If you have not already, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. See you soon and take care.